I'm injecting about 2 units in each area.
2 units per area.
Mm-hmm. Okay, how should I say this? Let's turn this side on. I like to curve the area of injection. I don't go straight down because I often find people get what we call a shelf if you're just injecting straight down here. So I'll try to do it in a curvilinear fashion to try to get the direction of the orbicularis oculi muscle. I just find they don't get this sort of crunching up here of the cheek when they smile. I think it just smooths it out. Okay. And you can see Barbara has quite deep glabellar lines here, so I'm going to get 4 units here.
So 4 units at the base of the corrugator.
And then I'll inject 2 units here.
More at the tail.
And then I want to hit the procerus as well.
And
Now I've done 4 units here, and what I like to do is massage it laterally. I know some people, for some reason, hold this area. They don't want it to go laterally, but I think it's a good idea to try to get some effect on the depressus superciliaris muscle, and that gives a little more lift to the brow here. Just opens up the eyes a little bit more. And I'll do 4 units here. And then 2 units. Crunch like you're frowning. And relax. Perfect. And 2 units there. Now, Barbara doesn't really have much in the way of forehead lines, so let's see. Raise your eyebrows, Barbara. So I'll just put 2 units, 2, 2, and 2 here. Raise your eyebrows. And you can see most of her frontalis muscle movement is superiorly, so I want to inject a little higher than I sometimes do when you see the lines and muscle movements more in the middle here of the forehead. So raise your eyebrows again and relax. Perfect. I'll inject 2 here, 2 here. Raise your eyebrows again. I'll do a little bit under the brow.
there's often a little asymmetry in the frontalis strength, and I think that your patient has that a little stronger on the right, maybe.
Raise your eyebrows again. You mean on the left here?
No, but way up high where you're injecting
Oh,
at the top
higher
of
up,
the
yeah.
frontalis, it seems stronger on the right from where I'm standing.
So I want to give her a little lift to the brow too. So I'm going to inject a little bit right under the brow. 2 units here. And then 2 units here. I always want to make sure when I'm injecting under the brow that I'm not aiming up towards the eyebrow, because I've seen some instances where, I don't know if the frontalis muscle is, articulating lower with the orbicularis, and you can actually drop the brow if you do that. So that's an important thing to remember when you're trying to lift the brow, not to inject up, but immediately.
I thought you were supposed to inject the tail. You're below it?
A little bit below it. Well, it's in the muscle, in the orbicularis.
So we had a question, and I'm really curious about this too. Have you noticed a difference between the